Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to buy a Groupon gift card using your Groupon mobile application. To buy a Groupon gift card, first of all open up the Groupon application on your device and log into your account if necessary. Once you're in the home page of Groupon, tap on Categories at the bottom of the screen. Inside the category list, you will see a list of Groupon gift cards that you can purchase. Now choose one of the gift card options from the list and choose how many gift cards you would like to purchase by tapping the plus or the minus button. Finally, tap on Buy at the bottom right corner and you will then be able to add the gift card on your shopping cart. Now once you end up in this checkout page, tap on Enter Payment Information and then choose your payment method you'd like to use. Add your payment information when prompted, and right after you enter your correct payment information, you will then be able to purchase your gift cards. So that is how you can easily buy Groupon gift cards using the Groupon application. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.